Hey guys, we just starting to install 3 newts. We just set the boxes. We got the feeder, 3 feeders, 3 boxes.
And the bees are in here. They're going crazy. Right now we're doing the smoker, get it lit up. So it's strong. This is gonna be our first time installing 3 nukes, so don't judge us too hard.
Be gentle.
Be gentle.
Be gentle.
Be gentle.
Be gentle. Be gentle.
We're learning as well as you guys are, if you want to do it.
And you should do it.
So, supposedly when you stop doing that, it's when you see the fire. Like consistently going. Yeah, that's good. Alright guys, I'm gonna put my glove on real quick. Be right back. Alright guys, we got 4 frame nukes, so we're just gonna take 4 frames out of all 3 of the boxes. Get it from the middle. It is very hot.
Welcome to South Florida.
Very
I love
hot.
it.
Look at that smoke, there's a chimney. I hope. Because our GoPro died, so.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm like.
Oh my god, this is scary.
They're going
Holy.
crazy. I don't want to put too much smoke on them. Because in the beginning. Yeah, we gotta calm them down a little bit.
This is a forest box. I'm trying to be as gentle as I can.
Get it in there. We have to get the tool from the car. I gotta get it.
Oh my god.
Sorry, guys.
I guess I should have left a little bit more space here.
Alright, let me get the tool. In sweats.
We both are. Alright.
Let me get the smoker hot. Hopefully we see the queen right away.
You guys ready for this?
Oh my. They are hot in there. Alright, that's enough. Yeah, those are big ones. Look at
Oh
that.
my god.
Let's get a close up on that.
Oh my god!
Nice.
Oh,
Let's see if we can spot the queen. No, it doesn't look like she's on there. We'll find her.
I gotta be really careful. I don't want to hurt any.
Yeah, we don't want to kill any of them.
Look at this beauty. Oh,
Nice.
that is gorgeous.
Look at that. Oh, that's one coming out right there.
Oh, look at that.
It's a new bee.
Ooh.
Try to look for the queen. We always got to make sure.
Yeah, I don't see it. We can see the...
See, right now they're calm, so we don't have to smoke them. You see, look, they're not anywhere trying to attack. They're just nice and calm. See if we see the queen.
Look at all the honey. Ooh. Beautiful. Can you see it from the other side? No?
I don't think I see her now.
I don't see her either.
They're more calm now than.
Yeah.
They're really
They're
calm.
home.
Yeah.
They're home.
Let me put some little feeders here.
By the way, can you see it? I don't see it.
No. There's babies hatching though, so she's in here. You can see them coming out.
I really hope she's there. I'm trying to go really slow. Slow as I can. This box is still full of bees.
Before we go to the next one, we gotta make sure we see the queen though. That's step number 1.
But I don't see it. So we just put it in.
He did not like that. Hold on, guys. We gotta look for the queen.
Alright, next.
Next one.
I think we're gonna have to leave go little fella. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh my god. Oh, now they're getting angry. Alright, this one we gotta look for the queen good. Alright, that's enough. I don't want to get them too angry. Hold on, let me put the smoker down. Alright, look good. I don't see anything. The sun is so bright I can't see what I'm recording. Oh, right there. She's huge.
Look at that.
Look at that, guys. Wait,
Ooh,
hold on.
nice.
Where is she?
Right there. Got the wings, the big wings.
Do I have it on camera?
Right there.
Oh, look at that. Nice.
It's a little bigger than the...
I think she's young though. I've seen them huge.
Yeah.
Alright, so this one has queens. Well, they all have queens, but the first one we couldn't really see it. Yeah, you see the beetles?
I'm putting it in the middle. Kill it. Kill it.
It's nice.
Look at that.
Look at those eggs. Look, she's laying. That's good.
That is so beautiful.
Oh, wow. So guys, my phone got overheated. Now I'm on my dad's phone.
I'm going to put the covers.
Let's actually make sure the queen's there.
So
'Cause
we're gonna take it out again?
If she's there, then we leave it open so they all go in there.
Okay, but let's do the other one then.
Okay. We have see nose. So it's a lot of bees that are not happy right now. But look at that. So beautiful. I'm not gonna smoke them that much. I'm gonna have bees in.
Oh, this is heavy.
I'm gonna have bees in the truck for.
We gotta leave the truck here now.
Yeah. If that's heavier, that means that's a good hive.
Heavy.
Psych! You wanna smoke them? I don't think we should just leave them. We don't want to get them angry. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. They're not even trying to attack me. They're just
chilling.
They're just chilling. We got some food for them. Are they starting to eat it a little bit? No.
They're trying to get this.
This one's gonna be a lot. Try to put it down so I can get a better angle. Like go lower.
Ta-da!
Oh my god.
For the queen.
Look at that baby. She's feeding the eggs. Nothing on that side?
I don't see her here.
Look at that, they're feeding all the larvae. Look at that, it's so cool, guys. Look at that. They're all feeding it. Unless those are coming out. I'm not
You
sure.
see it or no?
No, I don't. Nice. So cool. This video is going to be a little bit longer. I don't want to edit a lot of stuff out because this is... Nothing is better than this, guys.
Look at that.
Nice. They're still working on this one. Look. I don't see her. A bee just headbutted me, guys. I don't see her.
Unless she's inside somewhere in there, underneath, in the back. I don't see, look, see, through there. There's a slot there, underneath, and in the back.
Because that other king wasn't that much bigger than the other one.
No,
So it's kind of hard for us to tell. He said he saw them, but we also have to check as well. Okay, so these bees are either feeding the larva or they're coming out. But I'm pretty sure they're feeding the larva, which is the babies. If that's what you want to call them. Oh, there she is.
Okay, there?
Wait. I'm not sure. It's so hard to tell. That one? The white one? She's a different color.
Yeah, I guess.
She's white.
Can't really tell.
We're gonna have to do something about the beetles. Alright, let me get the smoker, hold on. These guys trying to sting me. I didn't want to do this, guys, but you're trying to sting me. Oh, I think our smoker died. Oh no, we're good. Look at that, they're still working on that. Look at that honey, guys. Ooh. Look at that, beautiful. Look, 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 look. What is that? That's a bee? There's no way that's a bee.
Yeah.
That's a bee? It's yellow. I mean, it's orange. That can't be a bee. Oh, it probably is. Look, there's another one.
Sure.
I'm not sure what that is. Maybe that's the protectors. The
Come on, little feather.
guys, I forgot the name.
Come on, little
But
feather.
you guys know what I'm talking about. The ones that protect the hive.
Wow. You're gonna have to leave this like that.
Just give them one shake and that's it.
Where?
Flip it upside down and just give it one boom. Yeah, just one shake.
Smoke it though.
No, just one hard shake. There you go. Alright, let me get the smoker. Calm down, guys. And for the box too, just give it one good shake. Because we don't want to hurt the bee, so we just give it one little shake. So we saw one queen in one of the boxes. We couldn't really tell the other ones. Like we said, we're new at this, so.
I don't know. I think we just need to leave these boxes here.
You want me to try to shake it once?
I already did, but a lot of stuff, drops into the box.
Yeah, let's just leave it then. Oh, they're not happy. Hold on.
Watch out on the floor.
Yeah. Let's put the tops on. Let's get them used to going from the entrance.
Yeah, but be careful, don't walk. They're all
we gotta,
over the floor.
We gotta fix that one, look.
They're all over the floor.
Yo, fix that one.
What's wrong with it?
That one has a small one.
Small?
Yeah, look. The entrance. Look, they're already going to the entrance. Let's put the tops on. It will happen though. So, we're supposed to be working behind the bees, but we're new at this, so we just did it this way.
Careful the floor.
We just have to make sure the queen's not in here. If she's not in here, then they're just gonna stay there and make their own nest. Oh my god. Oh, he just tried stinging me, but he missed. He's trying to sting your phone. Oh, we need the smoker. Oh, don't give us out. Don't give it up.
You need to do more.
us know in the comments what you guys use for mites or anything. If you guys are beekeepers. That would really help. Oh, at least they're using the entrance. They're getting the hang of it a little bit. Oh, look, they're using the feeders. I think. Look at that, guys. Remember, don't bash us in the comments. This is our first time. All I know is whoever doesn't wear a suit, good luck. Look at that, all over the floor. Good thing the floor isn't like,
Oh my god, look at it.
good thing the floor isn't wet like over there. Alright, this box is getting empty slowly.
Alright, let's leave it here.
Do that box now. We'll check up on them about a day or two.
Come on.
Look at that, guys. They're trying so hard to sting me. Oh, these guys are using the feeder a lot. Look at that. Oh, don't forget the tool.
I think that water's gonna be gone by today.
Yeah. Before you leave, we can just check and look for the queen again. We have to make sure. So guys, that is us installing the Nucs. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in another video.